Hi everybody, welcome to the channel Pharmacist Review. Yes guys, you heard it very right that you should not attempt all 125 questions, and here's why. Because about 20 to 25 questions in Gpat are out of syllabus, and you don't have to attempt them to take any kind of risk if you are not totally sure about it. This exam is not to see how much questions you're gonna attempt. It's about how much correction or how smartness you show while attempting these 125 questions, or you are attempting only 100 or 90 questions. To be honest, I attempted 85 questions and uh, it led me to rank around 300, which is pretty good for me. And also I took risk of about 10 to 15 questions or more. Yeah, so I had to do this because I was about 75% sure about the questions, and you should only attempt any question, uh, any risk question where you are 75 or 50% sure. And next thing I would like to tell you about is, now that only few days are left for GPAT, and now you are currently I assume that now you are currently revising or attempting questions, or mock test you are attempting. Do that, okay, but focus on revision. Revision is must, and focus on the chapters, on the short topics, and not on the bigger ones. Yes, you should study pharmacology, zootex, cognosy, but you should also study organic chemistry, okay, analytical chemistry, spectro, biochem, okay, and along with this, there is also management, right? And there's also jurisprudence, there is, and then is inorganic chemistry, and one is physical chemistry. Like, go for these chapters, go for these topics. These are really important, and don't hover if any topic is left. You do everything you should to cover the syllabus you had done already. And last but not the least, I would say that start doing mock test if you haven't started yet, because this is too important. If you don't know the answer of any question, okay, you don't know the answer, right, but you can solve it if you know how to solve the MCQs, okay. uh, like, based on any question you can rule out the options and finally come to an answer. Like, for example, if I tell you that there is a question like beta beta 1 receptor, by which GPCR beta 1 receptor acts, and the options are GS, GI, GQ, and none of the above. How can you rule out? Simply, like, I know the answer, okay, and you would also know because it's an easy one. If you don't, how can you rule it out? Because if you know that I is for inhibition, S is for stimulation, and GQ is by IP3 DAG and also causes kind of contraction, and beta 1 is responsible for increased rate of contraction of heart and increased force of contraction of heart, right? So this stimulation could only be done by either GQ or GS. And if you do remember that in cholinergic we used to read that M1, M2, M3, all happen by GQ stimulation, and all the relaxation happens by GI. Quite right. Okay, and in adrenergic system there is no role of GQ, so the possible answer that could be is GS. And if you have done mock test or something, you would be able to rule out the answers by this thing. I would really recommend that you should start doing it, and you should be confident what you are doing, and do not hover. Only 50,000 people give this test and you can do it. You might be the one who got to crack Gpat. Okay, if you are not prepared, fully prepared, there is also Niper awaiting for you. Okay, you can give a shot at Niper. All you have to do is crack Gpat. Okay, even if you don't get any better rank in this, okay, you can always have better chance at everything. So thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, and if you like the video, please share, subscribe and comment, and also tell me what topics you would like to see in my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.